Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Logitech GHUB software on your Windows PC. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the web browser on your PC. Here I'm going to open a browser, and after that, normally you have to type here Logitech GHUB download. Normally, open the first page. And here you will see the app with the versions. If you are using a Windows, then normally choose the Windows one. On the other hand, if you are using Mac operating system, then choose this one. As I am using Windows right now, I'm choosing this one. And then a file is going to be downloaded on your PC. Normally click on the save button. And here you can see that a file has been downloaded on our PC. Normally click on it to open it. Press yes. So sometimes it will require a restart. Normally you have to restart your computer by choosing this reboot now button. And that's it. Here you can see that I already have installed Logitech GHUB software on my Windows PC, and after installing the software it will require a restart or review. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.